Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to join COPY.AI affiliate program. Go to any web browser and then type COPY.AI, or you can just simply go to my description down below. I will include the link in the description. So this is what it looks like, and what you want to do is simply click the very first link that appears here. Now you can log in if you have an account already, or click try for free. But what we're going to do now is to simply scroll down to the very bottom, because there you will see the option affiliate marketing or affiliate program. Now, if some of you or if other people cannot see that option, because recently I think they made some changes, all you have to do is simply click the link that is provided in the description, and it will take you directly to this. This is what it looks like. This is Copy.AI affiliate application. And what you want to do here is very simple. All you have to do here is to answer 6 short questions to apply. So, as an affiliate, you will earn 45% commission on all payments within the first 12 months. So, if you're already an affiliate, you can log in directly. If you have other account, you can switch account, but your email address is indeed very important. Now, here you will provide the following, such as your full name and best contact email. Now, if you scroll down here, you also need to provide this. Where would you like to promote your copy.ai? So you have to answer if it's social media posts, newsletter, email list, and so on. Also, we have here what audience or customer type are you planning to target. So everything is up to you. And how large is your audience? Is it like less than 1,000, 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 20,000, or 20,000 up? So you must be very honest with your answers here, because they will review this one and it's up to them if they will allow you or if they will let you become Copy.AI affiliate. So all you have to do is simply answer this and wait for their respond to their or to your application. Now, if some of you cannot see this and you can only see this, what you want to do is you just simply submit the following that they needed. Maybe it is somehow change or different from time to time, or sometimes it depends on the country or region. So if you see this one, then they will ask you the following, and all you have to do is to submit. Okay, so name, email, your website, first workflow, second workflow, third workflow, and wait for their respond or their answer if they allow you to be part of their affiliate program. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorials.